With the help of the circuit diagram, we can make the connection, like the connections from main supply to the input of the auto transformer. So you can observe here the setup from which we can make the we can do the no load and block rotor test on 3-phase induction motors. So first we need to make the connection between main supply and input of the 3-phase auto transformer. 3 wires should be taken from main supply. It is 3-phase supply RYB that is connected to the input terminals of the auto transformer. RYB input terminals of the auto transformer, right? So the other connections can also be done with the help of circuit diagram. You can show the meters which are using for the conduction of no load test, right? Further we can do the connection as per the circuit diagram. The first step in the conduction is, first we need to switch on the main supply, that is 3-phase supply. After that, by using 3-phase auto transformer, we can slowly apply the input voltage to the 3-phase induction motor in step by step with the help of 3-phase auto transformer, which act as a starter. We can observe the voltage applied from the voltmeter. The rated voltage of the induction motor is 415, right? For conducting no load test, we need to apply 415 voltage to the induction motor, so that you can observe here 315 voltage is applying. After applying rated voltage to the induction motor it starts rotating with its rated RPM, that is 1500 RPM on no load. And after that we can take the meter readings, like voltmeter reading, ammeter reading. We can observe here ammeter reading, that is no load current, and we can take the no load power from the 2 wattmeters, because we are using 2 wattmeter method for the measuring the 3-phase power. So we need to take all the meter readings, and that should be noted down in the observation table.